Hey guys, so today we're working on my aunt's 3-valve Mustang GT. So we're gonna be doing a nice muffler system. So I got a set of bassani mufflers and we're gonna throw those on. I have these on the Cobra and I really like the way they sound. So this is gonna be perfect where it's not gonna be too loud for her, but it's gonna give a really nice tone. And then I also got the Roush cold air intake. And the Roush cold air allows you to use it without getting a tune, because I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. These are going to be some pretty simple bolt-ons, so didn't want too crazy like having her get a tuner and all that kind of stuff. But and then I also got some Plastidip. We're going to Plastidip the wheels, black out the emblems, and yeah. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the install, and I'll talk to you guys when we're all done. I already just finished up. Sorry I missed some of the footage. I was having a little bit of issues with some of the parts, like the exhaust, trying to get that aligned up. So I really didn't film much of that. But here is the cold air intake, the Roush one. This thing turned out really nice. Then I Plastidip the wheels black. We also Plastidip the GT emblem. Also did the rear emblem back. Bassanis look really nice. They sound really good too. So yeah, that's what this guy looks like now. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.